Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Jose Bangs with another video. And in today's video, we're gonna be installing these bad boys right here. I got this set from eBay. They were about $160 already shipped with taxes and everything. The good thing about this whole set, they already come with ceramic brake pads and everything included. So I think for $160, I think you can't beat the price. You know, I've installed these same brake pads, brake discs on my 2017 Fiesta ST. They were perfect. These are brand new ones. They look sick. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install these bad boys on your 1998 to 2002 Honda Accord. You're gonna get your brake discs, brake pads, and that's about it. I mean, so as always, guys, make sure you guys are being safe. I don't have my jack stand right now, so I'm using my wheel and the jack. As you can see from right here, this rotor is pretty wasted. I could barely catch my nail there. You can see some lip going on there. The brake pads, they're fairly new because I had changed them like 5,000 miles ago, but I'm still gonna change to the pads they gave me here. So alright, guys, so as you take it off, make sure the one you're gonna put back on is the same direction, because these are actually directional, so you can put them in the wrong spot. Alright, guys, well, I just found out that I'm missing a bolt right here. The top one is already on, but the bottom, I don't have it. So I'm gonna show you a way to fix this. Alright, guys, as you can see right there, we are good to go. The only difference you're gonna see with the fronts and backs is that they don't have that little spacing. You know, a little sandwich. You get that little spacing there. These are the back ones. Remember how I said how you take off, how you put in. So you want to make sure that the grooves are aligned the same. The little drilled, the same thing. You want to go ahead and put it back on. Super easy. There's two 12s and two 15s, and just comes right off. You guys can see from right here. I actually kind of messed up. Well, not really messed up, is at the rear. You see that little cross pattern, cross section right there on the piston. You actually need a special tool for these type of things. But I thought I was screwed, and I checked my toolbox, see what I could find. I got this really long wire cutter, pliers, whatever you want to call them. And I started, you know, going clockwise.
Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose, but when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days searching for your praise, but is it even there to find? Is that
hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's been about about to be 2 weeks that I installed the brake discs and the coilovers. I hope you guys enjoyed the cinematic video as well. I'm currently leaving the state park. I have no complaints for either or. I really recommend them. I'm gonna post the link down in the description if you guys want to check them out. Don't forget, guys, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. We're only doing this to see our progress. I mean, you never know when somebody might blow up. I might blow up. And yeah, I don't know if you guys saw, I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys saw that I have 2 more Accords at the house. I have both of them are 5-speed manual. One has a JDM motor and the other one doesn't. So what I'm gonna do with one,